Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you shared something with others. Please, over to you.
So basically, I'm doing a course in the emerging technology, artificial intelligence. So I share something with my colleague. She is doing this course with me. So it is related to education task and assignment. Sometimes I get the message by WhatsApp that she feel any difficulty to installation of the operating system and installation of, for example, activation and the patching of any software. So she had no experience about the keyword searching on the YouTube. So I sent him the link and I said the YouTube and sent him that this is the solution of this task. So I give her the solution at the moment.
All right, just 50 seconds. You have to speak for minimum 1 minute, and ideal answer is of 1.5 minutes. And you were confused about that person. Sometimes you're using he, sometimes she. So you should use pronoun properly and try to expand your ideas, come up with more points to discuss. Okay, let's move on. We've got speaking part 3. Do you like to share?
Definitely, I like to share, because if I will not help her, they will spend all whole time to search the problem all the whole day. So I search on the YouTube the solution and send.
Now, this question is not related to the previous talk. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
should answer differently. I mean, generally. For example,
sir.
do you like to share? Yes, I would love to share. Whenever I see anyone in trouble and they need my help, that help is by sharing anything. So I never stop sharing things, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is now what you said before. Don't repeat those ideas. Don't repeat the ideas of cue card here. Here you need to come up with new ideas.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.